Good morning, guys. So it is 8:30. I have already woken up. I made my bed into a table and I'm actually now putting on some makeup because yesterday I had a shitty day and I couldn't get out of it. So today I am destined to start the day, like more with a different vibe. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup because it makes me feel good. At least better. Look at that. Yes, it is wonderful what makeup can, do for you. Make you feel a little bit better. Oh, Jesus Christ. Odessa has been throwing up like 3 times today already. She likes to eat everything, and like everything, it's a weird thing. Whenever I stop somewhere, whatever tissues she finds, little plastic pieces on the ground. So whenever I stop, like park somewhere, I have to pick up litter everywhere, which is maybe a good thing. Anyway, the day when I was running, and I left the dogs alone in the car, she managed to put her head to the front seat and take the blue little towel that I was using to dry my windows inside, and she ate it. And she just ate it. And today in the morning she threw it up. So yeah. And now she's eating grass. But she's an old dog, she's an experienced dog, so I'm just gonna let her figure it out until I see that, she's not throwing up like constantly and losing a lot of liquids. So that's fun. Another thing that I'm gonna do now is make my coffee, but I'm not gonna drink it because first I need to meditate. This is one of my things on my... Oh, fuck! No! Today was gonna be a good day! Ah. So, okay, we are still gonna make today a good day, Odessa, right? So I'm gonna make my coffee, but I'm not gonna drink it because first I will meditate for 15 minutes. This is something on my focus list. And I've realized if I don't do it the first thing in the morning, I will not do it at all. I have to play a lot of tricks on my mind to make me do something. So keeping the coffee after the meditation is sort of like a treat for me, you can get the good thing after you do the thing you need to do. I did my meditation, so hooray, I can have my coffee now. Guys, today was a very important moment. For the first time in months, I had to take off my sweater because it was too warm. In months. I don't think I even did it during the summertime, maybe 1 or 2 times. Anyway, I feel good in my t-shirt. It's summer for me. I like this. Like, this is nice. Like plus 16, 17 degrees, sunshine. Beautiful. So it's 3 p.m. I just finished editing my last vlog, yesterday's vlog, and let me tell you something. Like, people who are doing vlogs, like, where do you take the time to edit your videos? Like, this is hard. And I'm not complaining because this is why I wanted to do VLOGMAS, to streamline my processes and, be quicker editor, choose quicker, and so on. But it took me 5 hours to import the material, to edit it, and now it's uploading to YouTube. Like, where do you take the time, people who do VLOGMAS? Like, do you have editor? Do you do night hours? Like, what? But it's exciting. It pushes my limits, it pushes my creativity. Let's get better at it, okay? Also, second big moment today. I booked an Airbnb. I did it yesterday evening when we came back from the beach. I was like, I need a rest, you know, from the van life. And I love my van, but living in this tiny space gets crowded. So I booked an Airbnb close by for 4 days and 3 nights to relax a little bit. And also I've been falling behind on my office work because, surprise, surprise, it's surprisingly hard to do your like normal work when you're out traveling. There's so much new places to see and do and go, so I've been pushing it, you know, to the sideline a little bit, but I really need to catch up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we are gonna have our check-in time in an hour, so let's see what we have. So welcome to our new home for 4 days, 3 days sort of. This Airbnb was a last minute find, but what made me decide it is that it has this like closed, not a garden, but like closed area where I can just let the dogs go loose and get a little bit leash rest for them and for me as well. I have been really frugal with my travels, you know. I don't go eat outside, I don't go to bars, I don't like buy services a lot, so this is a splurge for me. This is my treat. I'm pretty isolated when I travel around with van from others, so the COVID situation, it hasn't been in my reality a lot, but entering this place, I can really see it has affected everything else quite a lot, like the normal traveling industry. Of course, you have the mandatory disinfection kit and hand sanitizer. But what surprised me is towels, kitchen towels in individually sealed plastic, and also dishwashing things. So that is some next level. I don't fan single-use plastic, but I guess this is where the world is at the moment, especially the travel industry. So sad but happy that they are still keep going. I imagine these small businesses, small place owners bring a lot of value to the community and to the local economy. So yeah. Oh, the dogs are really liking the outdoor area. That was a good decision to come here. There is a dog on the other side of the fence here, and it just peed here. Like, do you want to mark your territory? I bet it's a male dog. Hello, doggy. Oh, you are a little fella. I have never done a coffee with this kind of capsule machine before, so let's try it. Should I be scared? Turn it on first. A big cup, please. It's just blinking. Like, what do I do? You can't help me as well. Ah, maybe it was warming up. Ah, it's only water. Should it be only water? This is not a coffee. This is not coffee. It's still not coffee. Maybe it's trying to show me that I shouldn't drink coffee 6 in the evening, 7 in the evening. So let's try it again. Maybe it was like rinsing water or something. No, it's still water. No. Oh no, did I break the coffee machine? I'm just gonna leave it there. Maybe I have a spike of inspiration tomorrow, but until that time, I'm just gonna drink tea. Now I'm gonna lounge on the couch with my doggies. They are really enjoying the couch. I'm gonna reply to the comments you have left me on my videos, and also I'm gonna watch Shrek afterwards. No editing for me today anymore. I'm gonna have a early bedtime because tomorrow, I haven't told you yet, tomorrow is very exciting day. I am gonna have my first ever surfing lesson, and before my surfing lesson I'm gonna go in the early morning and run these doggies, so they're gonna be nice and tired by the time I have my class. I've always wanted to try surfing, and as I'm here now and I have a shower, I thought, why not try some activities that require a shower after the day? I thought, as it's December, the schools are closed by now, but go figure, they're not. They're still doing classes, so yeah. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me, and good night to you, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye.